Today I'm going to give you 7 of the most underrated side hustle ideas which you can start in 2023 and beyond. These side hustles have the potential to earn you anywhere from $100 all the way up to $1,000 per day. So all you have to do is go ahead and pick one of these side hustles and get going. The best thing is not many people know about this. Now let's get straight into the value. Number 1, rev.com. Rev.com is an online marketplace for remote work, which includes things such as transcriptioning, captioning, subtitles and translation services. Using websites like rev.com, you can earn more money by transcribing audios and video files. The amount of money you earn depends on the quality of your work and how long you have been doing it for. Starting out, you can expect anywhere from $50 to $100 per week, but with time and better quality of work, you can earn anywhere from $300 to $500 per week. The key advantage of this website is that you get unlimited flexibility as there aren't any fixed hours for you to do your transcribing task. Go ahead and check out that website to sign up and create an account. Number 2, freelancing. Another option for you to make money on side is by becoming a freelancer. Websites such as Fiverr.com and Upwork.com are the best portals for you to go ahead and sign up on. By becoming a freelancer, you can go ahead and utilize your skills and offer services to earn money. On websites such as Fiverr, there are various categories for you to look into, and you can find many tasks related to your own skills and interests. Building a good reputation on these platforms take a time, but once you have multiple reviews and multiple jobs which have been completed, this can potentially grow into a full-time income. Another great website for you to look into is Upwork.com. So Upwork tends to focus on larger long-term projects that basically require ongoing collaboration and work to be done over time. So this website caters to a wide range of industries such as software development, graphic design, and marketing. On the other hand, Fiverr is known for its emphasis on smaller gigs. This includes creative tasks such as logo design, voiceovers, and finally video editing. So make sure to check out both of these freelancing websites and go ahead and create your own account. Number 3, user testing. You can go ahead and become a user tester and basically make money testing apps and websites. Platforms such as usertesting.com actually offer these services. So on this platform, you will basically receive invitations to record your screen and share your thoughts while navigating different websites and applications. User testers are paid quite a decent amount of money, but the number of tasks can be limited. So to combat with this issue, you can go ahead and sign up with multiple different platforms. This way it will increase your chances of receiving more and more work. So make sure to check out these websites and go ahead and create your own account. Number 4, Octopus Group. Whilst online surveys won't make you super rich, they can help you in earning extra money on your weekends or even on the way back from your work to your home in the metro. Octopus Group is currently Australia's highest paying survey website. They pay up to 200% more than an average survey website, and you can potentially be earning $16.80 per hour. So after going ahead and signing up with Octopus Group, they will send you a number of opportunities with all of the details on payments and time estimates. And once you complete a survey, money is instantly available in your account. And you can basically go ahead and redeem these earnings for cash or gift vouchers. So go ahead and check out this platform to see if it's of any use to you. Number 5, mystery shopping. So another option for you guys to make some extra money is by becoming a mystery shopper. A great platform for you to start this side hustle is called Smart Shopper. However, there are quite a few platforms in the market for you to look into. So after you go ahead and sign up at any one of these platforms, you can go ahead and find for jobs in your local area. These tasks include visiting your local shops, answering questions, or taking pictures. And once you complete these tasks, you get paid instantly and the rates are quite decent. The specific requirements for these tasks vary on client and the task requirements. So after you complete an assigned task, you have to then go ahead and submit a detailed report, providing feedback on your observations and any requested information. This report is quite crucial for these businesses to understand their strengths and weaknesses and to make necessary improvements. So if you have interest in becoming a mystery shopper, it's essential to research all the platforms and the ones which have most tasks in your local area and understand the platform's reputation to ensure it's a legitimate and reliable experience for you. To get started, you can actually go ahead and sign up for one of these platforms using their mobile application or websites. Number 6, using platforms such as Uber Carshare or Turo. Let's just say if you have a spare car which you don't use that often, or if you have a car which is usually parked during the weekdays, you can use that car to start making some passive income. So platforms such as Uber Carshare and Turo actually allow you to rent out your car to people who are looking for short-term car rental. To get started, go ahead and pick the platform on which you want to list your car and then download their application and create an account for yourself and finally create a listing for your specific car. And once you go ahead and register your car on these platforms, then you'll have the option to basically register a rental rate based on your preferences and market demand. It is important to consider factors such as car's maintenance, car's overall value, and the local car rental market when determining the daily rates. By casually sharing your car using these platforms, you can be earning anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 per month. And this estimate takes into the account that you're using your car occasionally as well. However, let's just say if you wanted to completely dedicate a car full-time on one of these platforms, you can be making anywhere from $7,000 to $8,000 on average. Now, let's just say if you have multiple cars that are not in use, you can increase your earnings by listing each one of them. Overall, utilizing these car sharing platforms can be a great way for you to earn some extra income. Number 7 and the final side hustle idea I have for you is Amazon's Flex Driver. Let's just say if you've got some extra time to yourself on weekends, and if you prefer driving, you can go ahead and start delivering Amazon packages to customers. With Amazon Flex, you have the ability to choose your own working hours, and what sets Amazon's Flex with the different delivery apps is that you don't have to worry about dealing with customers directly. So you can say goodbye to all of those uncomfortable conversations. So whilst being an Amazon Flex driver, you can have your own podcast on your own kind of music whilst you're delivering packages. Now, in terms of the money you can make with Amazon Flex, your income is directly linked to the number of blocks you can potentially do. So these blocks mainly represent specific delivery routes or time slots. And the more you conquer, the more you stand to earn. Usually these time blocks include a minimum of 4 hours all the way up to 8-hour shift. The minimum amount of money you can earn with Amazon Flex in a 4-hour time slot in a sedan car is $114. And let's just say if you have a large cargo van, you can be making $221 for an 8-hour time slot. So the total money you can make with this hustle depends on number of time blocks you do. But based on my research, people have been earning upwards of $1,000 by just doing this side hustle purely on weekends. In my opinion, the biggest advantage of Amazon Flex is that you can actually go ahead and enjoy your own company and don't have to worry about dealing with different customers. So there you go. These are my 7 side hustle ideas which you can start today to make some extra cash. If you guys found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more such content on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.